What's this in my hand? It's a Dr. Pepper. My favorite kind of pop is Dr. Pepper. You should try it. It's really good. Don't cover it. Oh! Gotta be careful. It gets bubbly really easily.
You want me to do it?
What?
You want me to? No.
Sure. Yeah, no, cover it. Dr. Pepper makes me feel like I'm bringing sexy back. You should drink it. So you can be sexy like me.